As soon as possible. As soon as possible. Tomatoes are very appetizing. Tomatoes are very appetizing. Pray to God. Pray to God. We had a lot of fun. We had a lot of fun. Unclench your fist. Unclench your fist. How stupid. How stupid. I am sweating a lot. I am sweating a lot. Wring out the towel. Wring out the towel. What if they refuse? What if they refuse? I rebuked him badly. I rebuked him badly. Speak slowly and clearly. Speak slowly and clearly. Never eat stale food. Never eat stale food. Don't worry. Don't worry. I wish I were there. I wish I were there. We have our lunch at 1 p.m. We have our lunch at 1 p.m. He did it tactfully. He did it tactfully. Why are you worried? Why are you worried? Get it repaired. Get it repaired. My brother slapped me. My brother slapped me. Get ready. Get ready. Cut down on tea. Cut down on tea. I wish I could. I wish I could. You became fat. You became fat. Wring it out fast. Wring it out fast. Untie the knot. Untie the knot. I keep fast sometimes. I keep fast sometimes. You are wrong. You are wrong. Switch off the fan. Switch off the fan. Heat up the food. Heat up the food. I had a hearty meal. I had a hearty meal. Chew your food well. Chew your food well. It's all your fault. It's all your fault. Hurry up. Hurry up. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. Call me back. Call me back. Draw the curtain. Draw the curtain. No idea. No idea. I don't understand. I don't understand. Don't misuse. Don't misuse. Don't play innocent. Don't play innocent. Why not? Why not? Repeat after me. Repeat after me. Help others. Help others. Look what I found. Look what I found. Did anyone hit you? Did anyone hit you? I can't say. I can't say. It's too late. It's too late. You are my namesake. You are my namesake. Get him off the bed. Get him off the bed. My hands are wet. My hands are wet. Sharpen your pencil. Sharpen your pencil. What is the time? What is the time? I am getting hiccups. I am getting hiccups. Lay the table for dinner. Lay the table for dinner. He looks very tired. He looks very tired. How much altogether? How much altogether? We can't reach there. We can't reach there. Go and welcome them. Go and welcome them. Don't discredit him. Don't discredit him. This shirt suits you. This shirt suits you. I finished the video here today. If you like the video, please like or comment. And if you can, share the video with your friends. If you want to learn English, you have to practice regularly and learn new sentences. Otherwise, it is not possible to speak English because the practice is the key to success. So, practice regularly. Stay well and keep learning English with me.